in partnership with the Roundtable, we are restarting the program of pediatric cardiac surgery again. I was speaking to my friends. We were one of the first hospital to do this in partnership with the Roundtable. In between, we couldn't continue, and then under the chairmanship of Kunal and Dr. Karthik and Karthik Narayanan, I'm happy that we are starting again. Pediatric cardiology is really a double whammy. Pediatric cardiac surgery itself is technically difficult. It's not an easy surgery. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. Orthopedic surgery is a simple, straightforward career. It's technically difficult. Pediatric cardiac surgery experts are ரொம்ப கம்மி. The diagnosis is difficult. அப்புறம் surgery பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமும் அவங்க pediatric ICU ல ரொம்ப நாள் இருப்பாங்க. இந்த அளவுக்கு difficult and challenging. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு difficult procedure இருக்கும். Automatically the cost of healthcare also goes up. அதுக்கான experts கம்மியா இருக்கறனால. And the other interesting thing is, most of the time, at least what I have observed, and that reasonable evidence suggests the pediatric cardiac and the congenital abnormalities, so the child born with the congenital cardiac defects, is common among the lowest socioeconomic strata of the people. It's not only in India, it's even all the developing countries, Africa, unfortunately, the pediatric cardiac surgical defect, the congenital anomalies, the children born with these anomalies, is common among the lowest socioeconomic strata. So the parents really suffer, parents and the children. ஒரு வீட்டில் ஒரு சைல்டு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கார்டியாக் டிஃபெக்டோட இருக்கிறப்போ அவங்களோட பிரெத்லெஸ்னஸ், ரிப்பீட்டட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் அட்மிஷன்ஸ், அதனால ஹோல் ஃபேமிலியோட எக்கனாமிக் ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டியும் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகுது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ தே டோன்ட் நோ வேர் டு கோ. முதல்ல டயக்னோசிஸ் டிலே ஆகும், அதுக்கப்புறம் டயக்னோசிஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சாலும் எங்கே போய் சர்ஜரி பண்ணுறது, சர்ஜரி பண்ணாலும் அதோட காஸ்ட்டு, இவ்வளோ ஒரு சேலஞ்ச் இருக்கப்போ அதை ஒரு பிரைவேட் ஹெல்த் ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் செட்டப்போ இல்லை கவர்மெண்ட் ஹெல்த் கேர் சிஸ்டமோ அல்லது பிரைவேட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல், ஒன் சிங்கிள் பிரைவேட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலோ cannot do. So that's why we need organizations like the Roundtable to support this program. I mean, Roundtable பற்றி நான் சொல்ல தேவையில்லை. I'm sure you all know and they'll also tell. And then I'm really happy that Dr. Rajmal, Dr. Karthik, Mr. Karthik Narayanan, Kunal, they have taken up the project again. They are promising to sponsor more than 100 surgeries, not this year, within next 4 months. So that is a great achievement. We have 100 complex pediatric cardiac surgery within matter of next 4 to 6 months. It's no easy task. And I wish them all the best. And I promise that from Kaveri Hospital, whatever support is needed, we assure you, apart from the expertise as well. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
My basic principle of life is, as humans, all of us need to have this quality, one quality called humanity, and to help each other as much as possible. And I believe most of us, including me and all of them out here who belong to the Roundtable, are at a level that we can do some bit to help others who are in need. And unfortunately, there are a lot of people who are born with disabilities, diseases, and a lot of things, and they don't have the kind of money to afford treatments. And I think the best thing we can do as people who have something to help them is just to help them whenever and whatever we can and whichever way is possible. So this Hearts 100 is a beautiful initiative, because when I heard about it, even I was surprised to know that there are so many children born with heart disabilities. I didn't even know this happens. So thanks to Roundtable and all the information I got from them, that I got to know that there are so many babies born with this problem. So imagine the state of their parents, who are looking forward to their kids, and this is a problem that they cannot afford a treatment. I think this is a beautiful initiative, and I think I'm blessed to be a part of such a beautiful initiative. And thank you, Kaveri Hospital, for encouraging such a beautiful thing. So I really wish all the best for this wonderful, wonderful initiative, and I hope more such treatments and more such initiatives happen. 100 children are going to get benefited from this. I want this information to go out to everybody, and all the parents in need who are not able to afford treatments for their babies should come ahead, contact the Roundtable, and make sure their kids get treated. Like 300 children have been treated in the past by Roundtable. So this Roundtable 100 also, I'm sure is going to do a great job. And all the very best. Thank you for calling me here. And thank you so much for doing this amazing initiative. I think this is beautiful. Thank you so much.
For being here. Chairman Kunal, thank you for having me here. Of course, Sir has just explained the complexity of the operations themselves, and Chairman Kunal has very well spoken about how this project is structured. I would like to add something here about Roundtable India. Of course, Roundtable India is an organization for young men. The unique nature of this association is that we all retire at the age of 40, and our prime goal of giving back to the society is a flagship project called Freedom Through Education. Freedom Through Education, of course, is a 20-year-old commitment from all of our tablers. In fact, every single day over the last 20 years, we've been building at least one classroom. So we build classrooms for the underprivileged kids, and that is our prime project. Of course, apart from that, every club is completely they can go ahead and take a project of their own. And one such initiative of MART 100 is Hearts 100. If you will notice, these are additional projects that clubs can do. So apart from Hearts 100, there are so many other projects that are also in the limelight. So this organization, of course, strives to give back something to the society. Society has given us a lot. We're all well educated. God has been kind. Now is the time, I believe, for us to give back to the society, and that is what we are doing through this club. Thank you so much, members of the press. I hope this information goes out to the public, and the public can help us in various projects as well. Thank you so much.